How to share a YouTube video on Instagram story. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following tutorial, I'll show you how can you share a YouTube video on Instagram story. To do it, so you have to follow the simple steps. So first of all, what you want to do is make sure to go ahead and open up your YouTube application. Now from here, let me just go ahead and share a particular I'm gonna open up this page and click on the particular video that you want to share it to Instagram. So click the share button at the bottom right hand side corner and click on copy link. Once you've copied the link, exit out of this page and log into your Instagram account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the home page. Now here, what you want to do is click on your story from the top left hand side corner of your screen. After which, you could actually go ahead and take a picture or just upload the one. I'm just going to go ahead and upload this for now. And what next you want to do is click on this sticker icon from the top of the screen. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the link section at the bottom. There you could find the sticker. Press it here, and now you want to press in the link. Now here you want to paste in the link that you recently copied, and you could also go ahead and customize the sticker if you want to, and you could add it to as well. If you don't want to, just leave it as it is and click the done button. Now that the link has been successfully added, you just have to go ahead and make sure to share the story. So let me just go ahead and adjust it and click on your story. Now let me just go ahead and click onto the link, or just let me finish this posting. So when I go ahead and click on a link, you could see at the bottom there is the link. So if somebody else has pressed this link, it's going to directly take them to the YouTube page. That is the way you could go ahead and share it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.